In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter end-of-year balance sheet in Freshbooks. Let's get started right from the Freshbooks dashboard. Once you've logged into your account and you're on the main screen, look over to the left-hand side of the page. You'll see the main navigation menu running down the sidebar. This menu is where you can jump between different areas of your account, like your invoices, expenses, and reports. For this process, you'll want to focus on the section labeled Accounting. Go ahead and click on Accounting in that left sidebar. This will take you into the accounting area of Freshbooks, where you can access all the financial reports and tools related to your books. Give it a moment to load if your internet is a bit slow. Inside the accounting section, you'll see an option called Accounting Reports. This is where Freshbooks groups the key financial reports you'll use at month-end and year-end. Click on Accounting Reports to open that list. You should now see several different report types available depending on your plan and settings. From this list, look for the report labeled Balance Sheet. The balance sheet is the report that shows your company's assets, liabilities, and equity at a specific point in time, which is exactly what you need for an end-of-year review or for sharing with your accountant. Once you've found it, click on Balance Sheet to open the report. By default, Freshbooks may show you a standard period, like the current month. For an end-of-year balance sheet, you need to adjust the date range so it reflects the correct year-end. At the top of the report, you'll see a setting called Report Period. Click on that drop-down or date selector. Here you can choose from presets like this year or last year. If your year-end matches the calendar year, selecting last year is often the quickest option when you're working on last year's books. If you're preparing the current year's end and it has already passed, choose this year. If your fiscal year doesn't line up with the calendar year, or you need a very specific cutoff date, use the custom date range option instead. Set the end date to your fiscal year end, for example, the last day of the month that closes your year. After you select the appropriate period, apply or refresh the report. Freshbooks will update the balance sheet to reflect your selected time frame, giving you an accurate snapshot of your business at year end.